Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Evelyn and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this makeup look right here. So basically in this video, I show you how to do a nice smoky eye on hooded eyes without it, closing your eyes or making it look really small. So yeah, if you all want to see how I achieve this look right here, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I will do is prime my eyelids with some light concealer. Okay, so now that my eyelid is nice and primed, I'm gonna add some setting powder and set this primer. So first I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. To go in with that shade, I'm taking this fluffy blending brush right here. And I'm going to be placing this color on my crease. This is a very cheap blending brush that I've got from Amazon. As you can see, since I've got hooded eyes, I'm taking it much more higher than my crease. This is a nice orangish brown color. You can drag it outwards if you feel like. Now taking a pencil brush and I'm going in with this shade right here. This is a nice dark chocolate brown and I'm just going to be placing this shade below my crease. You can drag this out as well. Alright, now going in with the black, I'm taking a small tiny paddle brush right here, like this. And I'm gonna take some black graphite eyeshadow and I'm gonna place it exactly on my lid. Keep building on the color till you're happy with it. So I've taken a little bit black on this brush as well and I'm going to blend the crease. Also the graphite shade which I'm using right now has a little bit sparkle to it. Now that I've got the intensity, I'm going to go back in with that dark brown. And finally, to diffuse that brown, I'm going to go back in with that orangish brown shade. To just bring back some color. So now that we're done with the eyelid, let's go on with eyeliner. So for eyeliner, I'm going to use the Inglot gel eyeliner. I'm going to go in with this tiny eyeliner brush and I'm just going to draw a simple wing. Now to crispen up the wing, I'm gonna go in with the Lakme Insta liquid liner. Now that our eyeliner is done, let's move on to the lashes. For lashes, I'm going to use this eyelash curler and curl my eyelashes. Alright, now that my eyelashes are curled, I'm going to go in with the Colossal mascara right here and I'm going to coat my eyelashes. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with this orange shade right here, this orangish brown shade right here. Going back in with that brown. And finally going back in with that black. To intensify my lash line, I'm going to go in with the K Beauty Kajal in the shade Spade and I'm going to line my waterline. I'm going to go back with this tiny eyeshadow brush and smudge that kajal. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to again coat my eyelashes with some Maybelline Colossal mascara. Alright, now to complete the look, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and for that I'm going to use this lovely champagne highlighter shade. Once again taking it on a tiny paddle brush and I'm simply just going to highlight my brow bone. Ever so slightly. I'm also going to get that champagne highlighter shade on my inner corners to highlight my inner corners. Alright, and now to finish off the eye look, I'm just going to put a pair of false eyelashes and be right back. Alright, so now to highlight my face, I'm going to go in with this champagne highlighter right here. And I'm going to highlight the highest points of my face. So now to highlight my nose, I'm taking a smaller, tinier brush, just placing it on the bridge of my nose. And now moving on to the lips. For my lips, first I'm going to outline my lips with a maroon lip liner. And now to fill in my lips, I'm going to go in with this maroon lipstick. Now going back in with the lip liner and I'm just going to darken up my outer corners to give it a more pouty feel. Now that you're done with the lips, take your setting mist and set your face. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you all did, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.